Yeah, good morning everybody. Yeah, you're cleaning my car. Yeah, and now I'm charging. It's a new one here. It's a new one. New charger. Yeah. New charger, a big one. Yeah, fast charge. No, it's fast charge. Yeah. Fast charger. It's new here. It's new. Yeah, it's new. Yeah. You're gonna see how fast it's going. Yeah. You're gonna see, yeah. It's not so far from my door. No. 2 minutes driving, I'm here, so I'm happy. It's a new one, a new station. Yeah. It's good. It's very fast. Yeah. Yeah. Very fast. Charging, look. Siemens. It's a new one. Yeah. Very happy with. Yeah. My car. Yeah. Yeah, it's driving very good. It's driving very good. I've cleaned and just put the dirt off. Yeah. I'm happy with that this here. It's the first time I'm testing it now. Yeah, I'm testing it now. Yeah. It's good. It's good. It's not so far. It's calm here. It's calm. Yeah. I'm gonna look now. Oh, I remember the radio. The radio is playing. Yeah, it's charging now. Yeah, look. Oh, it go fast. Yeah. 11 degrees now here, you see? 11 degrees. Yeah, it go fast. It's 8:11 a.m. in the morning here. Yeah. That's inside my car. Yeah. Very beautiful. Yeah. Design is good. Yeah. So you see, I'm charging now. You can see the cable there. Yeah, I'm charging. Yeah. 8:11. 8:11 is gonna be finished. Or I don't know what's the time now. I'm gonna see. I don't know. No, I'm starting on 8:11. Yeah, it's like that. Yeah, I'm starting 8:11. Yeah, that's good. Good. So that's the middle. In the middle, yeah. You can push here in sport. That's extra fast. Normal driving, comfort. Then eco power. Then have one button here. If I push that, I have extra power, so I get 450 horses. Yeah, very fast. Look, can open it. Yeah, can close it. That's the screen here. Yeah, you can see everything. It's touching. You see, it's now 12 degrees here. It's gonna be a sunny day. Yeah, you see. Yeah. It's gonna be good. Yeah. Dan hier is opzij. We hebben een window so yeah. You see the design is good. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much for watching. You can open here. Nice. See, a lot of place. A lot of place also. Yeah. good. I have a big one here. Big one. A lot of place here, you see, a lot of place. Yeah. A lot of place. And that's also good. Yeah. I'm very happy with my car. Yeah, I'm very happy. Yeah, I'm very happy. Just one push and it's closed. Yeah. Let's see. M50. Thank you for watching. Thank you everybody. Thank you. Bye bye.